everyone, today I'm going to be going over the SSH protocol. The Secure Shell Protocol is a network protocol used for securing transmission of data through devices primarily accessing the server remotely. It's an essential transfer medium for networks because of the various security elements it incorporates, such as hashing, port forwarding, encryption, and authentication. An SSH connection relies on an SSH client who initiates access and an SSH server that processes access requests. A key exchange is then initiated, granting the client an encrypted communication session. Here are some benefits associated with the Secure Shell Protocol. For one, it allows for a secure remote access gateway. It also allows for secure file transfer protocol, which prevents data tampering during transmission, ensuring its integrity. Key-based authentication allows for more secure access controls to prevent unauthorized access, which is a key feature offered by SSH. It also allows for persistent sessions in case one is interrupted. Its connection may be continued with no loss of work. Lastly, it is compatible with all platforms. The platform we'll be using on our servers to configure the Secure Shell Protocol is the OpenSSH platform. It's a platform for management of SSH protocols, which is open source and available for Unix operating systems as well as Windows. It allows for file transfer services over SCP as well as SFTP. During SSH connections, OpenSSH uses the SSH agent to hold private keys in memory, allowing for users to make remote configurations without having to re-enter passphrases. Configurations are also file-based and edited within their respective configuration files. OpenSSH facilitates strong configuration through the use of a variety of tools to ensure the security of data through remote services. Here are some steps when configuring OpenSSH properly on the server. First, you'll need to install OpenSSH from the internet. Next, it's important to configure its main settings through the main SSH configuration file. Then you'll need to generate keys for user authentication through the keygen command. Lastly, use the allow command to enable SSH through the network firewall. Here are some recommendations to strengthen the security of OpenSSH on your server. First, disable root logins to ensure only users with authorized regular accounts can make changes through the sudo command, so attackers cannot gain full access. Next, you'll want to change the default port to mitigate automated attacks. And lastly, configure key-based authentication over password authentication to combat brute force attacks.